Some top researchers are using agentic AI to boost their research capabilities. Others don't even know the definition of agentic AI and what is it. And today, definitely, it's not anymore sufficient for researchers to just know what is an LLM and how to chat. You really need to go beyond and understand what is agentic AI and how to use it. I mean, look at last month, in the same week, 3 papers published in Nature were exactly about how to use agentic AI to help with research. Top researchers are extensively using this in their workflow, including it daily for tasks. It's used to create and publish research papers autonomously, to review papers autonomously, and to reproduce and extend papers as well. You can include agentic AI also to help you with communication, with your admin, creating classes, and putting content online. So to help those who don't know how to use it, I created this full class where I'll take you from scratch, the foundation, to the frontier of work with agentic AI, to a full pipeline which autonomously select papers, replicate them, and extend them with referee rounds. And we'll see a lot more. All of this with many examples from my practice, from using this daily. We're going to see how I wrote papers in a single prompt and questioned the process. What was the design to do this? This is a 69 pages paper that was produced in a single prompt with Fable 5. And you'll see the full references, full methodology with mathematical proofs, and many figures, simulations, computation, everything in the paper with a single prompt. You'll see how also I've created online tools that use, for example, dynamic graphs like Streamlit and Push on GitHub page in order to autonomously pull research online and question the methodology in this research, which is typically something I do manually before. We'll see also skills that I created, so automated ways to create nice slides, to apply my framework, to apply my design rules. And so I just have to type the slides and the structure, and then it will have a nice layout in LaTeX using typical layout I use. And we'll end up seeing this full platform where it's pull research, publish research online, and then recast it, which is basically it replicates and extends with recent methodology in causal inference and causal AI. And this is a full pipeline. I explain how I build this with basically replication stage, verification, extension, referee rounds, up to the publication on GitHub page with all the results, replication, and you can even read the referee reports of the agents and track easily if it worked or not. And the key thing in this class is that I show you how to do this reliably with a framework that you can use as your compass throughout the class. Because from my experience, I've seen that most applications of generative AI and the way people use it are actually not efficient or even destructive because they misunderstand where it works and when it doesn't work, what we call the JAG technological frontier. And so I give you and illustrate throughout the whole class this framework that allows you to think about how to use GenAI efficiently and reliably and augment on the long term your capabilities and not destroy your knowledge and get short-term benefits for long-term costs. And this will live for a long time and not just today with the current models that exist. So if you want to discover what we can do with Claude Code and agentic AI in particular and learn everything from scratch, with applied example from research, you can now join the full class. I hope to see you there and don't hesitate to drop a message if you want to discuss these concepts.